Hello, my first grade friends. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the seasons since we're going to be coming into a new season. So, this week in science, I want you to be thinking about what affects seasons. And we just talked about how the sun gives us so many different things. And most importantly, when our Earth orbits around the sun, sometimes the northern hemisphere where we live is tilted towards the sun and sometimes it's tilted away from the sun. So I want you to think when the northern hemisphere where we live is tilted away from the sun, we get less heat and less light, so it's wintertime. But when the northern hemisphere where we live is tilted towards the sun, as the earth orbits around the sun, we get longer days and more sunlight, and therefore it's warmer out. So as we move into that time where it's warmer out, I want you to be thinking about the season of summer and how that kind of changes what we're doing. So here, if we look, how does summer affect you? How does it affect what you wear? How does it affect a job that you do, or maybe jobs that you see? Maybe food changes. Maybe you eat certain things in the winter, and then certain things in the spring, and then certain things in the summer. What does that change look like? Your recreation, what sports do you play, or what activities can you do now? Your customs, and I love how, especially our class, we have so many amazing customs and traditions, and I would love to hear about some of our customs or traditions that our families have in the summer. And then something we've talked about a lot this year, animals. What animals do you see around you? I want you to think about those adaptations. Especially in the summer, we see a lot of animals out. What adaptations maybe help them? And then lastly, plants around you. So we know in spring, we know from our pumpkin and plant unit, plants need certain things to grow. In the summertime, what do the plants look like? Are they growing? Are they blooming? Are they living? I want you to think about the plants around you. So I really liked this visual here, and I want you to take a look at it because it has so many great things you could think about as we enter into our season of summer. So maybe at home during your science time this week, you can draw a picture and label with certain things that you wear, you do, you see, you eat, what animals, what plants in summer. So I look forward to seeing that. Thanks, guys.